How do you know you are the one? What evidence do you have that tells you that you are the one? Do you believe you are the one? But what if your friend and your family don't believe you are the one? What if people around you don't believe you are the one? But how could you be the one if you have the lower self telling you all the time, whispering to your ears saying that you don't have what it takes, you are not ready, you are not good enough? It is thought or idea that you hold about yourself and the world around you that you accept. What's the key word? Accept. To be a statement of fact, the belief that you have right now, most of the time, they were planted by somebody else. You might think you have the belief. No. Most of the belief that you have were planted by somebody else. So how do we unplug from the matrix? Unplug into your higher self, which is not what you don't know that prevents you from succeeding. It is what you know for certain. That just says so. This is your greatest obstacle. Just because someone else planted it there, it doesn't mean you have to accept it. You have a choice. What? What choice? You have a choice. Losers see difficulty in every opportunity. Winners see opportunity in every difficulty. Choose to be a winner. Choose to be the opportunities. And if you feel like quitting, dropping everything, remember that the darkest hour is just before dawn. The temptation to quit is the strongest right before the finish line. The urge to give up is the most overwhelming right before you win. So when you feel like quitting, remember why you started, remember how far you have come. Remember that pain is temporary and greatness lasts forever. And the stress you feel today will be replaced with strength.